morning, everybody. Now I shall teach you how to pronounce certain words correctly. I have given some words here and their transcription also here. If you know the transcription, if you have studied phonetics, if you know phonetics, you can verify the pronunciation with the help of the transcriptions given here. Others just listen to what I read, how I read and what I say. Let us see some of the words often mispronounced. Here, G-I-R-A-F-F-E. How will you pronounce? Most of the students pronounce giraffe, but it is not giraffe, it is giraffe. They have to pronounce it as giraffe, not giraffe. Giraffe. D-E-E-R. Here we have to pronounce it as deer, not deer. It is not deer. We have to pronounce it as deer. Next, M-E-N-U. We pronounce it as menu, but it is not menu. It is menu. M-E-N-U, menu. Next, H-O-N-O-U-R-A-B-L-E. Honorable. It is not honorable, it is honorable. Here, H is silent. Honorable, honorable. Next, E-C-O-N-O-M-I-C-S. Economics, economics, economics. Here we pronounce the long vowel, economics. Not economics, it is economics. Then F-O-O-D, often we say food. Often we say food, but it is not food, it is food. Food. See the transcription here? Food. Next, E-C-O-N-O-M-Y. Here it is economics, here it is economics, not long vowel. Economics, economy. Next, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. We should not say breakfast, it is breakfast, breakfast. Next, Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. It should be pronounced Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Next, R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E, relative. It is not relative, it is relative. Relative. Next, C-A-R-E-E-R, career, not carrier, it is career. R is silent here, career. Next, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. We pronounce this as bicycle. It is not bicycle, it is bicycle. It is bicycle. Hereafter say, I come to school by bicycle, not bicycle, bicycle. Next, D-E-V-O-T-E-E, devotee. It is not devotee, it is devotee. Devotee. Next, P-L-U-M-B-E-R. It is plumber, not plumber. It is plumber. B is silent here. We should not pronounce this word B. It is silent here. Next, D-E-B-R-I-S, debris. It is not debris. It is debris. Yes, silent here. Next, P-O-O-R. It is not poor. It is poor. Poor, poor. T-O-U-R, here also we often say tour. It is not tour, tour. We have planned for a tour. We have planned for a tour, not tour. Tour. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Here C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S. Cleanliness. Here clean, here cleanliness. Next, creative, C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E, creative. Here C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E, creature. Here creature. V-I-T-A-L, vital. V-I-T-A-L-I-T-Y, vitality. Vitality. Here vitality. W-I-N-D, wind. W-I-N-D, up, wind up. There wind, here wind up. Let us wind up this session. Wind up. T-A-B-L-E, table, not table. It is table. S-E-V-E-N, seven, not seven. It is seven. O-P-E-N, open, open. O-N-E, one, not one, it is one. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11, not 11. We have to pronounce it as 11. You should not say 11. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14, not 14, 14. F-O-U-R, 4. L-I-V-E, live. L-I-V-E-L-Y, lively. C-O-L-O-N-E-L, there is no correlation between this word and the pronunciation. Kernel. C-O-L-O-N-E-L, kernel. Kernel or kernel. Then V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, here we pronounce this as vegetable. It is not vegetable, it is vegetable. Vegetable. We should not pronounce this E. Vegetable. Vegetable. So I hope you all have some clarification in the words and you know how to pronounce these words correctly. Hereafter you have to pronounce these words correctly. If you like this video, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.